Hey there, good to see ya.
How's it going, Aladdin?
Good. I'm about to go make some magic happen.
Oh, okay, cool. Aladdin just shook my hand. Cool. Hey guys, this is Mark from Inside the Magic California. Welcome back to another episode of Hidden Gems in Disney. Today, we have discovered that the evil queen from Snow White makes a mysterious appearance. According to inside sources, the evil queen will make an appearance outside of a windowsill above the entrance of the Snow White ride. Don't know if that's actually a thing, don't know if that's true, but let's go find out. Snow White ride is located in Fantasyland, which is directly that way. Okay, so I know this isn't exactly what I was looking for, but you can see the evil queen behind me. Now we are in Fantasyland. So now we need to find the Snow White ride. Here we go. I know it's just a kid's cartoon at the end of the day, but I was absolutely terrified of the old witch. Like when she turns into like an old lady. Not necessarily the queen. The queen wasn't that scary, but the old lady scared the bejesus out of me. So I am praying that whatever comes out of this window in the Snow White ride is not the old lady and it's just the regular queen. That would just be, I'd be A-okay if it was just the queen, because that old lady, man. No. Here we are in front of the Snow White Enchanted Wish ride. Here's the archway of that sign. I guess we have to look above it and the window. There's the window. Oh, wait. No way. What? Oh, no way. I feel like that happened so fast. I need to see if I can, let me see if I can see it again. You can see all of these people not looking even a little bit at that window. Everyone's just kind of walking past it. They don't notice it at all. What? That is so cool. That is awesome. And now she's just evilly going back into her chamber. Okay, well, there you have it, folks. That was the Evil Queen Hidden Gem on the Snow White Enchanted Wish Dark Ride here at Disneyland. To be honest, it wasn't really that difficult to find. It was more so very easy to miss, if that makes sense. If you're really not paying attention, if you're really not looking up at the window, then you will definitely miss it and possibly miss out on some Disney magic for you. Look, I'll be the first to admit, I am just happy that it was not the old lady, the regular queen, so was not absolutely terrified when I saw this hidden gem. That's a plus. The evil queen waiting outside of the Snow White Dark Ride at Disneyland. Have you seen it? If you have any hidden gems that you would like to share with us, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, I am Mark with Inside the Magic California. See you next time, guys.